take my ass to Roachdale, place where I learned to goon. Take my ass back to country and all the old ignorant fuckers I knew. Dirty ass town famous for raising cockroaches. Like how did the cops not notice? Half the kids in the school that drink lines coming off, but no one stepped in. Take me back to meth country, the home where the toothless get their way. A place where welfare's better than working, cause they always found working gay. Roachdale, the place you marry your sister, and not a soul will say a thing. And yes, they might have sex with animals there, but they tell us it's consensual, so I guess it's okay. Roachdale, the place where there was a homeless man, James, that would walk around creepy as fuck. I think he was human trafficking in his beard, that much was clear. Rip, James, you were the realest, dirtiest son of a bitch around. Fuck just about everyone else though, I wouldn't let the fuckers lick my toes. Take me back to Meth Town, where the sister wives dance and sing, and that crystal is clear, and we're cranked out mowing at night.